Welcome back, word enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into an enchanting world of words as we embark on a captivating vocabulary journey. Hey guys, it's Rishi once again. Today's episode is all about those magical B words that add flair and depth to our language. So grab your linguistic compass and let's set sail on this vocabulary booster adventure. So you're going to have 10 questions and we need to select the correct meaning of the given word. But before I do that, why do we need to improve our vocabulary and how does it help? Well, it's a journey that offers a multitude of benefits, enhancing both your communication skills and cognitive abilities. So what does that mean? Well, it means it can improve your reading comprehension, so when you're reading diverse materials, or when you possess an extensive vocabulary, you can craft persuasive arguments and present your viewpoint with authority. And this is particularly useful in professional settings and debates. Or if you're looking to improve your confidence, a wide vocabulary boosts your self-assurance in social interactions, so you can participate in discussions with ease. So there's a plethora of different benefits. So let's take the next 10 minutes to master our vocabulary. Starting with bugbear. What do we think bugbear means? Well, bugbear is a source of obsessive or unfounded fear. So that would be in red. And it also means a continuing source of irritation or difficulty. Now, what I want you to do when you're watching this video is start taking notes and then start to use these in sentences and present them in the comments section below. There's going to be prizes for everyone who comments below, so let's keep it up. Everybody is a winner. Okay, bombilate. So the word bombilate is to make a humming or buzzing noise. And this verb can also be written as bombinate instead of bombilate. And it's a regular verb to be bombinated. So that's our answer, to make a humming or buzzing sound. Okay, brickbat. So brickbat. What do you think this could mean? Could it be a cricket bat made out of a brick? Oh boy, that would be heavy, wouldn't it? Well, if you chose a broken part of something hard, which is used for throwing at someone or something, then you've got it correct. And you can almost tell by the word brickbat. And that gives a meaning of harshly or being unfavourable. Alrighty, let's go to the next one. Bugaboo. What could it mean to be bugabooed? So what does the word bugaboo mean? Well, it's something that causes fear, trouble, or annoyance. And this is especially so when it's an imagined threat or problem. Now remember, you must use these in sentences, otherwise they're not going to be given any context and you won't be learning much at all. So don't forget to pause the video, copy down the word, so after the video you can go ahead and create sentences with those. Okay, let's move into the next question. Baleful. To be baleful, it's when something is causing or threatening to cause harm. So for example, a baleful stare. So something causing or threatening to cause harm. Okay, moving to the next one, bric-a-brac. So again, the correct answer is to be small or having ornamental objects that are of little monetary value. And all that junk that we collect in our bedrooms, bric-a-brac, eh? Alrighty, let's move over to the next one. Baedeker. So, what does this word mean? Well, this is an unusual one. It's a guidebook for travellers, right? Now, in honour of Verlag Karl Baedeker, the well-known German-based publisher of worldwide travel guides. Okay, let's move over to the next question. Brazen. So to be brazen means to be harsh to be harsh sounding almost. So you're showing or expressing boldness with an absolute lack of shame. Marvelous work. Over to the next one. Boondock. So the word boondock is a Filipino word and it means mountain. So a remote rural area usually covered with a dense undergrowth. And it was used by American soldiers when talking about action in the rural areas of Vietnam. And so the word is extensively used by soldiers when on active duties in rural areas. So that's one to also note down. And let's go into our final question. Behemoth. Something that is very big or powerful. Could perhaps be a huge beast, who knows? And so that brings us to the end of our video. So in essence, improving your vocabulary is like adding vibrant colours to your linguistic palette. Dive into the treasure trove of words and unlock the boundless possibilities that await. We hope you've enjoyed exploring these beautiful and bountiful words with us. Remember, building your vocabulary is like building gems that sparkle in your conversations and writings. So stay curious, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next episode of our Word Odyssey. And before I let you go, let's take a look at this game. We've got numbers 1 to 26. Now, I want you to find 26 new words. They don't have to be starting with the letter B, but find 26 new words and write sentences with them. But before we get ahead of ourselves, focus on the main 10 that we've done in this video, and then challenge your siblings or friends to a game of bountiful words. So until then, keep those B words rolling off your tongue.